today I'm gonna be making my first fondant shoe. And I'm gonna be using this box. Ooh, can y'all see that? Ooh, I don't know. It's a company called TANCHU. TANCHU. I don't know about the company, but the box says they were made in China. Of course you can't see that. The box says made in China. I'm gonna guess this is a Chinese company. But I'm using this. I got this box off Amazon. And I'll put the link below for you guys if you want to purchase the same box. So let's get to the unboxing, right? I haven't opened it yet. This is my first time opening it with you guys, so let's see. I've watched a couple videos on how to make a fondant shoe before, but I never made one. But I wanted to start making some so I can, get them. I can start selling them for my clients. So, for any of the new bakers out there, you never want to start selling something you never did before. So that's really why I started YouTube, just so I can practice and record it. Might as well record practicing. And this way it'll show my clients like I've done it before and I can do it again. Well, it comes with this. And this is all in a bag. I probably need to turn my brightness down somewhere and get the focus right. Okay. You see that? Let me see. Okay. You see that? It's, I'm gonna take it all out the bag, but this is what it comes with. This thingy. And it comes with a little book for instructions. That's so cute. And I love pictures. I love pictures and instructions, and they have a lot of them. Trying to make sure you guys can see it. Has little cutouts. I know my nails are not hitting. Don't look at my nails. Not even look at my nails. I'm guessing this is for the heel strap, closed-toed, open-toed. Nice. In the bag, it has this. I know this is for the heel. I watched a couple videos. This is for the heel. Oh, they have a cutout. This looks like a closed toe. I don't know. Open toe. I mean, it looks like the pictures that are on here. So you can like match them. I would think you would have to trace, but they got the cookie cutters for you, so ain't no tracing here. So we got the open toe, the closed toe, and what is this? This is the strap. See, you can match it. And we got the last one, which is the heel strap. So this is the back of the heel. You can match that to the picture too. Heel strap. I hope I'm showing you guys good angles. This is my first product review. This is not sponsored or anything. I'm just making a fondant heel, and I just wanted to record it for you guys. For any of you who are making a fondant heel for the first time, like, don't be discouraged. It doesn't look that hard. I don't know. This is my first time. It doesn't look that hard though. So don't be discouraged. Try something out, girl. Try it out. All right. And then the last part is the heel. It looks like skinny. Wonder, can you like make it fatter? But I don't think so. This is skinny long heel. This is not the, oh. No, this is kind of skinny. You would think it would be probably as big as my hand at least. Almost there. And my hand isn't that big. So I'm gonna read off, I'm not gonna read off the instructions, but I'm gonna read the instructions for a while and then I'm gonna explain it to you so you don't have to go through all this. I've got all my pieces set to the side over here, and then, you know, I'm gonna come back. Oh, also, you guys, fondant. You guys can't see that. Let me get this together. Okay, so fondant. This is the fondant I'm using. I also get this off Amazon. This is number one for me. If you got a gluten-free option, use satin, it's good. But this, I love it. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with it. It's ready to use. It's ready to use, girl. Okay, let's get started. Let me read. Ooh. I'm really trying to get my angles right here, so I hope y'all appreciate it. I hope y'all appreciate it because I'm really trying to get it right. Okay, so I'm gonna get my non-slip mat because we're doing a lot of fondant work. I've read the instructions. It seemed pretty easy. I've got this mat, got my rolling pin, and I've got some fondant here. So I got black, I got pink, I got white. All right, so step one, put your fondant in the heel. Seams on that side. I'm trying to move it to this side where it's smooth. The back of my heel. Put it down in there. And then see, use like this rolling. Yeah. Really, when you're a cake artist, you have to really focus on the details. The details make a shoe. The details makes a difference between something looking like a cake and something actually looking real. Okay. Probably clean it up a little bit. My fondant's kind of dry because it's an old fondant, so yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the fridge. Next up is the sole of the shoe. So I got my fondant, and I'm going to use this piece right here. This is our next step. Take that off. I'm going to use this piece right here, and I'm just going to lay it flat, and I'm going to use Hope immediately just lay it on here. Oh, it's supposed to go exactly like that, so. Oh, this is where our heel's gonna go. I got my heel. Ooh, that was scary. Still slidey. Okay. Is it? Why is this so, you know? I'm very confused about that. These not like even matching up. It's not me, y'all. It's not me. Like, no. Where was this supposed to fit at? Right here? Y'all thought this was gonna hang off here like that. That must be what they thought. That must be what they thought was gonna happen. Like how? Houseway, how? You know what? I'm gonna let this chill out. I'm gonna let this chill out. We're not gonna get discouraged, period. So, let's try some shiznai. Try some ghetto shit. I'm thinking like maybe we could just keep it up in there. The fuck? Let me see. Can we do that? I ain't feeling like that's how it go. I'm trying to figure it out. y'all. I don't know why they thought this would come all the way to the bottom. Like, that's really blowing me. Like, what type of calculations did y'all do? Okay, so we're gonna take that out. We're gonna see the fuck. We're gonna see what the wham bam thank you ma'am do for this heel. I ain't just doing too much. Something down here. Maybe you get there. Okay, we make it work like that. We make it work. Okay. Alright, so next part. So now I'm doing a pink back.
White.
Supposed to be for the toe. Would be in here. Like, how am I supposed to get that shit out? So I have these
Bye.
This is my shoe. First try. It keeps on leaning in here. But yeah, I'm gonna let it dry overnight. Hopefully it doesn't dry crooked like it's trying to do. I keep on fixing it, but I'm gonna let it dry overnight. This little beauty. You see, I really went in with the details right here. Do you like that? Let me know. Let me know in the comments if you like that. Now the shoe still needs more work. It's still drying. This is like corn syrup on the side. But yeah, not bad, right? Not bad. Look at this. I was expecting a sole to be, you know, right here. But that doesn't come in the package, so no sole. And honestly, you guys, a tip for you guys, if you want to make a sole like I do, because I'm very into everything like really looking real, I think I could just use this again and just cut it off, like cut it off right here, cut it off, and then maybe outline it a little bit. I don't know, but it can easily make a sole. Just the bottom, this and this, and the heel. It's very easy. I'm gonna let it dry overnight and see how it looks standing up. And I'm supposed to make a cake to go with it tomorrow, so I'll be making that. That is gonna be a whole nother video for you guys. So if you want to see the whole cake get done, and if you want to see this stand up on its own, just tune into my next video.